Danny, you go into the season as a starting third baseman, which makes a lot of sense because you've played there a lot, but what did you have to do to kind of nail it down in the fall and again here in the preseason?
I mean, the biggest part is just come out and play good every day, show that I can earn the spot, and do everything I need to do on the field, obviously.
I know Coach always talks about playing infield at high school is one thing, coming up here to this level is something different. What have you seen differences from high school to this level that you've had to improve on?
The biggest difference is the game just gets quicker and quicker from high school to now. I mean, balls are going to hit harder, the guys are bigger, everything. So, I mean, just reaction, being able to move your feet well and get it over.
And you may have seen a lot of bunts in high school, but the way the game has changed at this level, third baseman kind of is the trigger man a lot of times on a short game like that. Is that something you had to get even more used to at this level?
I mean, there are definitely a lot more slow rollers, choppers now, just because the pitching's getting better. I mean, definitely you got to be able to work up and get up into those balls. So, I mean, yeah, a bit.
And something that I ask a lot of guys have the last couple of years, having Bregman next to you, the communication with him, because he's a guy who's going to try to get to as many balls as he can, try to make as many plays. What's the communication like with him?
We talk between every pitch, every out. I mean, we're always talking, communicating with each other, make sure we both are on the same page.
I know 2 or 3 of your coaches have talked about your stroke and what you've done offensively. How have you gotten better there since the end of last year?
I guess between this year and last year, I trust my hands better to hit the ball the other way. I mean, other than that, I mean, I feel like I have the same approach.
You trust your hands. Is that also a mental thing, going from being a high school hitter to college, knowing that you're not going to be able to pull everything and power up everything?
I wouldn't say it's mental. I would just say it's maturity. Just knowing your game and knowing what you need to do.
Do you feel, I don't want to say more confident, because you seemed like a confident hitter last year. Has anything made you feel like you can go up there in any situation and produce for this team?
I mean, I've always felt confident. I mean, even last year I would have felt the same way. I mean, I always feel like I can get the job done at any given point.
Last year you kind of had to hit to get onto the field because of older guys in front of you. Now you're the starting third baseman. Is there pressure to make sure you produce offensively to stay in that spot?
I mean, the way Coach likes to talk about third base is third base defensively first, then offense. I mean, you can't hit enough to like overmatch your defense at third. So I mean, I just work defensively every day, and I know my hitting will be there.
And he talks about third base a lot and has all off season. Does that catch your attention to know that he puts such an emphasis on that spot?
I mean, it's definitely a confidence booster to me that like he has enough trust to put me there every day and know that he has the trust and that I get the job done.